Minasan konnichiwa, it's Meemay here and it's JapTime! So we're starting a series on my blog and it's about learning the Japanese language. And this will be called JapTime! So I know many people like me wanted to really learn the Japanese language. I wanted to share with you what I learned, what I use, and how did I use it, and how did I learn. So we can learn together. Just a disclaimer, I'm also a beginner in this Japanese language and I'm still trying to learn, so bear with me. If you wanted to share something that might help me learn the Japanese language easier without costing so much, feel free to comment down below any link or any suggestion that you might have. I'm also happy to share with you the applications I'm using to learn the Japanese language, what works best for me and what I think doesn't really work for me. So that's it for today. So excited to see you guys again for the next video. Hope you like, share, subscribe, comment, and click the notification bell so that you'll get updated to my videos. Ja, mata ne!